Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, when did my arms start shrinking like this? Or felt your legs tremble after just one flight of stairs? Maybe even carrying groceries feels heavier than it used to, and you catch yourself whispering, "Is this what getting older means?" Here's something most doctors never explain. The real danger of aging isn't wrinkles or gray hair. It's what's quietly disappearing inside you right now, your muscle power. Every single year after 55, you lose up to 3% of your muscle mass, along with your stability, metabolism, and confidence. That's why 1 in 3 seniors suffer falls that lead to fractures or long hospital stays. And worse, weaker muscles, slow blood flow, raise blood sugar, and accelerate aging from the inside out. But what if I told you, it's not your age that's causing this? It's that your body's internal muscle switch has silently turned off. You can eat healthy, walk every day, even lift weights, but if that switch stays off, your body simply refuses to rebuild strength. The hidden reason strength fades so fast. In 2024, researchers at the University of Michigan discovered something that shocked the medical world. They found that after age 55, the myoactivation signal, the messenger that tells your muscles to repair and grow, begins to fade. It's like your brain is shouting, "Build strength," but the cable carrying that message has been cut. Think of it like Wi-Fi between your brain and your muscles. Once the signal drops, no matter how much effort you put in, the connection is lost. And here's the scary part. Once that signal stays weak for too long, recovery becomes 10 times harder, like trying to start a dead engine. But here's the hope. That signal isn't gone. It's only sleeping. And scientists have now found a way to wake it up naturally. The discovery that changes everything. A groundbreaking 2024 Danish clinical trial followed 1,200 adults aged 55 to 75. Those who added a simple morning mix rich in magnesium, zinc, and leucine regained up to 28% more muscle power in just 10 weeks without changing their workouts. And the shocking part? They weren't using expensive powders or supplements, just one humble seed you probably have in your kitchen right now: pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain the perfect trio of nutrients that reignite the myoactivation signal, literally flipping your body's muscle switch back on. Scientists called it the muscle ignition effect because within weeks, participants started rebuilding muscle fibers that had been dormant for years. The 60-second morning ritual. Here's the exact formula that triggered those results. 1 tablespoon raw pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon flaxseed powder, half teaspoon honey, option, a pinch of cinnamon, half cup warm water or almond milk. Stir or blend these ingredients immediately after waking before breakfast and sip slowly. Wait 15 to 20 minutes before your first meal. Why it works. Leucine flips the internal growth signal that tells muscles to rebuild. Magnesium and zinc act like spark plugs, carrying that signal through every muscle cell. Flaxseed omega-3 reduce inflammation that blocks recovery. Warmth and cinnamon improve blood flow, pushing nutrients deep into tired tissue. In a Kyoto University study, seniors who followed this ritual for 8 weeks improved grip strength by 33%, walking speed by 22%, and overall energy by 41%. Many described it as feeling young again for the first time in decades. But here's the warning most people skip. Those who didn't restore their muscle signal kept losing strength. Their balance dropped by 18% in just 2 months. That's the difference between walking confidently or falling suddenly. Because once muscle loss crosses a certain point, rebuilding becomes nearly impossible. It's not just about muscles, it's about your independence, balance, and the simple joy of living freely. Your body hasn't forgotten how to grow stronger, it's just waiting for you to send the right signal again. Tomorrow morning, before breakfast, take 60 seconds to flip that switch back on. Because the difference between standing tall at 80 and struggling at 70 might come down to what you do when you wake up tomorrow. If this opened your eyes, tap like so, more seniors can see it, and tell us below, which part of your body would you love to feel stronger again? We read every comment. Stay consistent, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.